Hey you guys, welcome to my channel and my name is Shirin and you know my eye looks bare because I've applied nothing on the eyes, but today I'm going to show you how some few tricks to apply good mascara. I'll show you tricks to apply mascara efficiently. So because many of you guys complain that the mascara doesn't looks good and it becomes clumpy, the mascara doesn't voluminize, or you know the regular things. Obviously everyone needs to be wearing a mascara, and because it makes the eyelash looks on fire, and without the eyelashes any eye makeup doesn't look good. So yeah, without any further, let's get started and let's see what are these hacks that will give you a good eyelashes. So now, right now you can see that my eyelashes have nothing on it. Basically these are bare eyelashes, and yeah, my eyelashes are long, so please don't say that I've applied something. I have applied nothing. But today I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. This is the first time I'm using this mascara. I have really great hopes from this mascara because this is really expensive mascara, and people say that it is a dupe. It's a dupe for a high-end mascara. So yeah, let's see how it works, and let's get started. So starting off with curling the eyelashes, which is the right thing. You should curl your lashes before applying mascara. So you can see the difference without curl and with curl. It creates a lot of difference to the eyelashes. So that's why you should apply. Now I'm using this L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara, and I'm just taking off the excess product from it. From when you take the excess product, the eyelashes don't look clumpy. They get separated from each other, and hence not the excess product can create clumpiness onto the eyelashes. So you can see with curling the eyelash, it creates a lot of length, and also I'm applying the mascara in the wiggling motion in the correct direction, and in the wrong direction I'm applying it just like this on the length of the eyelashes. So you can see there's no volume, and here you can see there's a lot of volume and length. And now applying the mascara on the bottom lashes from the tip of the mascara holder. So that's how you get the length. And here I'm just applying like this only, not with the tip. So you can see there's a lot of difference on the eyes. And on the wrong side I'm applying the mascara coat after the other mascara coat has dried up, so it will create more clumpiness and it won't look good as it should look, as you can see. So did you see the difference? Lashes this lash is on fire. I think this looks really like I've applied falsies. It just gives me a nice lift, which I want. Obviously this every lash is separated from one another. Also you can see that the eyelash look really nice and big from here, huge large lashes from here. And on this side you can see the eyelashes has become really clumpy. You can see these have become clumpy, while these are really separated from one another, and this has lots of volume, while this is this just does not look good, and this is like really nice. So mascara, while applying mascara, this is really important to follow certain steps to just correctly apply the mascara. So to achieve a falsy kind of effect, for all of you who do not apply falsy, mascara is a boon to them. So yeah, I hope you like the video, and I hope you got some tips and tricks for applying a good mascara. And as per the review, I give this a 10 on 10 because it doesn't make my eyelash look stiff, which most of the mascara does, most of the waterproof mascara does. And even being a waterproof mascara, this has made my eyelash look like it's it's my own eyelash. I don't feel heavy, I don't feel you know, um, stiffness, no stiffness. I don't feel like I have applied anything on my eyelashes. It's just my eyelashes. And every lash has separated for, obviously these are tricks, but this mascara has also helped. It is like I have applied I have gone for steroids, and these are on fire. Obviously I love this mascara, and I would highly recommend this mascara for you guys. And yeah, so